Ever wondered how to create professional promo videos with just a keyword? Crafting such videos is not a walk in the park. It demands script writing finesse, an eye for relevant media, and endless hours of editing to blend everything together. And let's not forget, these tasks can be downright daunting. Particularly for our busy marketing professionals who are already spinning multiple plates at once. But what if there was a way to simplify all these tasks? Meet Marketingblocks AI, your solution to creating professional promo videos with ease. Imagine having a tool that takes the heavy lifting off your shoulders and streamlines the video creation process. Yes, that's Marketingblocks AI for you. Marketingblocks AI is a groundbreaking technology that writes the script for you, searches for relevant media, and combines everything into a professional video. It's like having a virtual assistant that's equipped with the intelligence of a seasoned video producer and the efficiency of an advanced AI system. Here's how it works. First, the AI writes the script. It analyzes your keywords and generates a script that perfectly captures your message. It's like having a professional copywriter at your disposal, but without the hefty price tag. Next, the AI searches for relevant media. It sifts through thousands of video clips, photos, and graphics to find the perfect visuals that complement your script. No more endless searching and no more settling for less than perfect media. Then comes the magic. The AI combines everything into a professional video. It matches the visuals with the script, adds transitions, and even includes a voiceover. The result? A polished, professional video that's ready to wow your audience. And the best part? You can transform text into engaging AI videos featuring real humans or avatars with just a few clicks. You can select an avatar or let the AI generate one for you, input your script or let the AI generate it, and turn your script into a polished spokesperson video. With Marketingblocks AI, you can create professional promo videos without the stress and hassle. Ready to take your promo videos to the next level? Why not experience the revolution that is Marketingblocks AI? It's more than just a tool, it's a game changer for marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses alike. Imagine having the power to create professional, engaging videos with just a keyword. Yes, a keyword. It's as simple as that. The AI will write your script, find relevant media, and merge everything into a video that not only looks professional, but also resonates with your audience. But the magic doesn't stop there. Transform any text into a captivating video with real humans or generated avatars. You decide. The control is yours. And the best part? All of this happens with just a few clicks. It's time to engage your audience like never before, to turn them into high-paying customers. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Check the link in the description to start creating your professional promo videos. With Marketingblocks AI, the future of video creation is in your hands.